Charming little farmhouse with a covered porch overlooking your gorgeous, cross-fenced acreage. Cozy and charming with airtight wood stove, efficient U-shaped kitchen with dining area and inside laundry. Flooring is combination of hardwood, tile and laminate flooring. Enjoy the beautiful outdoors from U-covered porch watching your animals and gardens grow. Lovely mountain views and great country living. Just a few minutes to town for shopping, dining and services. Handy garage plus storage shed and an amazingly huge driveway for easy access and loads of parking. Cute barn and animal pens, patios, destination locations and so much more. Ahhh, the country life.